Hello, thanks for joining me. I'm Prof. K, and I like making sense of the Canadian and American electrical codes. And today I'm going to show you how to get onto CSA OnDemand, which is where you can find the Canadian electrical code. So here is your CSA OnDemand. Once you've logged into your CSA group account, it's called CSA OnDemand, and you will have a library there. If you have a lot in your library, let me show you the quickest way to find it, because I kind of do this every day and it's a little bit tricky. So I search electrical, and then I go down here and I search for document type and I say code. And if I search just code and electrical, I can find my electrical code. We do have to wait for a few minutes for this to load, but it's a really powerful system. It's worth it. It has all of our CSA codes in it, and it knows which one you have paid for. So here you have just your codes. Just your codes that have the word electrical in them, and you'll find the Canadian electrical code here. And then people sort of like click this and say, oh, I can't get it. I can't get it. What this drop-down menu means is that this is sort of a title. And then after the title drops down, then it's telling you, okay, here's the code, even though it looks like the same thing. So here is this is the current edition, which is 2024 right now, and this is a previous edition, and this is the edition before that. So to get the one that you want, you don't click up here on the title, you click down here. So there we go. Then over at the right hand side of our screen, you have two options. One is to view online, and the other one is to download a PDF. There is a big difference between the two. The downloaded PDF lets you have a table of contents. Whereas if you just click view online, or you've only paid for an online version, this is what you get. For the size of the book, it comes up really quickly. Now, in this, you can only see the pages to the side here instead of having a table of contents, but you can search. So if I want to say sizing, then yes, you can do a search. That's going to be a big search. That word is going to be in a lot of places. So it does have a search in it. It has these pictures over to the side, which quite frankly, I don't think is very useful. So I keep them minimized. You can highlight in it, and you can leave yourself some highlights in it. But what it is missing in the online version is the table of contents over at the side. It's a little tricky to get that PDF version working with Adobe. Most people are limited to this online version that is in CSA OnDemand. I would say the CSA OnDemand version is somewhat similar to having your whole book in front of you. Just because you don't have that searchable table of contents feature where you can click very easily over, you can find your tables very easily. In the next video, I'll show you how to get that downloaded version that lets you have that table of contents functionality. But if you need to quickly get to the code book, that's what you do. You go onto your CSA OnDemand and search for electrical and document type code. Find the title of it, drill down from that title, take the latest version, hit view online. This is what you get in your web viewer. Pretty fast, almost as fast as picking up the book. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this is helpful to you. And if you like it, please like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and let's look at the PDF version next. It's my favorite.